Building a sustainable garden. Wood projects that help the planet. Welcome to your dream garden project. Transform your backyard into a sustainable paradise with these eco-friendly wood creations. Dive into our DIY tutorial and take a step towards greener living, one wooden piece at a time. Wood is not just beautiful, but also biodegradable and renewable. By choosing sustainable wood, you're reducing carbon footprints and supporting responsible forestry. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts wanting to make eco-friendly garden improvements that blend functionality with the gentle aesthetics of nature. Raised beds are not just practical, they improve soil drainage and aeration. These structures help you control the environment better for healthier plants. With sustainable wood, you're ensuring your garden's vitality while keeping the ecosystem in mind, promoting biodiversity and reducing soil erosion. Creating a compost bin from wood is a great way to recycle kitchen and garden waste. This eco-friendly project reduces landfill contributions while rewarding you with rich compost. Wooden bins blend seamlessly into the garden, complementing the natural atmosphere while fostering sustainability. Maximize your green space by building a wooden vertical garden. Perfect for compact areas, this project brings your garden to new heights. Using sustainable wood, you can create modular sections, allowing for diverse plantings, all while making efficient use of limited space. Define your garden borders with stylish wooden edges. These boundaries not only add aesthetic appeal, but also help manage plant growth and weed control. By using sustainably sourced wood, you're contributing to a healthier environment, one line at a time. Invite birds into your garden with a handcrafted birdhouse. Birds naturally control pests and contribute to your garden's health. Using sustainable wood ensures that your creation is kind to the environment, fostering a harmonious relationship with the planet. Customize your garden with artistic touches. Wooden signs or plant markers add personality. These small projects are wonderful ways to use leftover wood, reducing waste and reinforcing the eco-friendly ethos in every corner of your outdoor retreat. Together, these projects not only beautify your garden, but also promote sustainable living practices. Embrace this journey of craftsmanship and conservation. Your garden makeover can inspire others to adopt greener practices too. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and join us in creating a more sustainable world.